Hello friends, this is a fish cutlet recipe. I am taking the Atlantic mackerel here. There is a different mackerel we use in India. That's an Indian mackerel, but here I am taking Atlantic mackerel which I have washed with turmeric and water. Nicely washed to remove all the smell from it. And I am slightly frying it with just turmeric and salt. And here I have removed the skin and mashed it. I am taking cilantro, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, red chilies and breadcrumbs. It's a very easy procedure. So after frying the fish I have removed the skin and mashed it nicely. You can also do it in a mixer or food processor. I'm mixing with cilantro, salt, ginger garlic paste and the green chilies and red chilies finely chopped. That's all I'll be using. So we'll just give it a good mix. The hands are the best tools for doing it. So just nicely mix it. Check for the salt. Mackerel is a very healthy fish, so you can use it often. Indian mackerel is very tasty, but here in the US we get this Atlantic mackerel more. So here you see I finally mixed everything nicely. So now I'm going to make small patties out of it. You can give it any shape you want. So I'm just making it like a patty. Round. Don't make it too thin or too thick also. So just about 1 centimeter thickness. So dip it in breadcrumb. You can also use egg wash before dipping it in breadcrumb. But I don't want to use egg wash. I don't like it, so I'm not using it. You can do if you like. So we'll make patties of all the mixture. You can see this is a very easy and quick process. You can do it for snack or appetizer also. It's a very tasty dish. All of you, young and old, will love it. Hope you are liking all my recipes. So my recipes are mostly very simple. I try to make it very simple. You can also shape it as a cylinder or cylindrical, or also make a kebab on the skewers. But this is an easy method, so I'm doing this. You can just fry it in a saucepan or a girdle. You can also fry it in an air fryer or even an oven. But I like it by frying it in a saucepan with a little oil. It tastes much better this way. So here you see I have made all the patties. Now we'll start frying it. I've taken little oil in the saucepan. I'm not deep frying it. You can also deep fry if you want. So I'm just doing the shallow frying. You can also make this as a patty for the burger. You can make a burger out of it. So I prefer eating this as it is with some ketchup. So we usually make it for the evening snack. Fry it on a medium-low flame. Just takes 5 minutes on each side. We'll just wait for it to have a golden brown color. And then you can flip it off to the other side. I think it is done on one side. Let's turn it over. You can see the golden brown color. Nicely done. So we'll do the same with all the other patties. Do it gently without breaking. Very easy and quick snack. Here you have done it. I'm serving it with green chilies and onions. Hope you enjoy my video and this recipe. Please do try and give it a share and a like. Thank you.